Imagine pulling up to the gas station and your fuel door won't open, or your headlights are so foggy you can barely see at night, or you're staring at a $400 repair bill because a small rust spot turned into a hole. Most drivers waste hundreds, sometimes thousands, every year on problems WD-40 can prevent or fix for pennies. Mechanics don't want you to know these tricks. Today I'm giving you 15 genius, shop-proven WD-40 car hacks that actually work. Some will save you from expensive repairs, some will make your car look brand new, and one might even keep you safer on the road. Stick with me until the end. I'm counting down from 15 to the number one trick almost nobody talks about. Let's make your car run better and look sharper without spending a fortune. Before we start, quick safety rule. WD-40 is a great penetrant and cleaner, but never use it as a long-term lubricant on moving parts that need grease, and never spray it near hot exhaust or open flames. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Let's dive in. Trick number 15. Restore interior shine and remove sticky messes instantly. Got old sticker residue, gum in the cup holders, or mystery gunk on your dashboard that makes the whole interior look dirty? Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth, never directly on the surface, and gently rub the area. The solvents dissolve adhesives and grime without harming most plastics and vinyl. After you're done, wipe the area clean with soapy water to remove any oily residue. This trick is pure magic on stubborn sticker glue on windows too. Detailing shops charge $150 to $250 for a full interior clean. You just handled the toughest spots for under $1. Do this before selling your car and buyers will think you've babied it. Trick number 14. Fix sticky or frozen car keys and locks. Key won't turn smoothly in the door or ignition. Before you pay a locksmith $100 to $200, try this. Spray a tiny amount directly onto the key, not into the lock. Insert and remove it several times while gently turning. WD-40's penetrating oil breaks up dirt and old gunk inside the tumblers. Especially useful in winter or in salty coastal air. 8 out of 10 times this saves you a full lock service. Just don't flood it. A little goes a long way. Trick number 13. Make windshield chips less visible. A small rock chip driving you crazy? It won't fix the crack permanently, but it can buy you time. Spray a small amount on the chip, then wipe away the excess. WD-40 fills the tiny voids and dramatically reduces the distraction until you can get it professionally repaired. Bonus, it also wipes away bug splatter and road grime in seconds. Way cheaper than specialty cleaners. Address chips fast. Temperature changes turn small chips into $600 windshield replacements. Trick number 12. Hide light paint scratches and swirls. Those annoying light surface scratches and swirl marks making your paint look old? Spray WD-40 on a clean microfiber cloth and rub gently in circles. The oils temporarily fill the scratches and make them almost disappear. Perfect for quick touch-ups before photos or selling. Not permanent, so follow up with wax to make it last longer. Body shops charge $300 to $600 for the same visual improvement. Dark-colored cars show the biggest difference. Trick number 11. Revive squeaky wiper blades. Wipers chattering and streaking across the glass? Wipe the rubber edges with a cloth lightly sprayed with WD-40. It removes built-up grime and restores flexibility. This can add months to the life of your blades. If the blades are cracked or torn, replace them. WD-40 can't fix mechanical damage. Save yourself $40 to $60 every few months. Trick number 10. Remove seized spark plugs without breaking them. Stuck spark plugs can turn a $20 job into a $300 plus nightmare with stripped threads. Before removal, spray WD-40 around the base of each plug and let it penetrate 10 to 15 minutes. It loosens rust and carbon so they come out cleanly. Critical warning: never spray on the electrode or insulator, and wipe everything thoroughly before installing new plugs. Mechanics use this trick daily but rarely show customers. Trick number 9. Make tire sidewalls look brand new. Faded, gray tire sidewalls killing your car's look? Wipe them down with WD-40 on a cloth. It cleans brake dust and old dressing while darkening the rubber for that fresh, detailed appearance. Temporary and cosmetic only. It washes off in rain and doesn't offer UV protection. Great for car washes, photos, or selling. Never spray the treads. Keep traction safe. Trick number 8. Eliminate battery terminal corrosion. Corroded battery terminals are a top cause of mysterious no-start problems. Disconnect the negative terminal first, spray WD-40 on the corrosion, let it sit, then brush it off. After reconnecting, spray a light protective coat on the terminals. This creates a moisture barrier that stops future corrosion. Costs pennies versus $10 to $15 specialty products. Do this twice a year and avoid $150 tow truck calls. Number 7. Restore foggy headlights in minutes. Cloudy headlights cut your night vision in half and look terrible. Spray WD-40 on the lens and wipe thoroughly. It cuts through oxidation and grime for instant improvement. Temporary but very effective. Follow with proper restoration polish and UV sealant for longer results. Shops charge $80 to $150 for this. You just did it for almost nothing and improved safety immediately. Trick number 6. Stop door seals from freezing shut. Winter mornings when doors are frozen solid? Before cold weather hits, wipe all rubber door, hood, and trunk seals with WD-40. It creates a barrier that prevents ice bonding and keeps rubber flexible. Prevents cracked seals and expensive replacements, $150 to $400. Do it twice a year and your car stays quieter with fewer wind noises and leaks. Tip number 5. Stop surface rust before it spreads. Surface rust is like cancer for your car's body. Spray WD-40 on the spot, let it penetrate, then scrub with a wire brush. After cleaning, apply another light coat to protect the bare metal until you can paint it properly. Catching it early with WD-40 prevents $500 to $2,000 bodywork bills later. Especially important in snowbelt areas with road salt. Tip number 4. Quiet a squealing serpentine belt. Annoying belt squeal? With the engine running, hands clear of moving parts, lightly spray the ribbed side of the belt. It cleans glazing and often stops the noise instantly. This is a great diagnostic trick. If the squeal returns quickly, you know the belt or tensioner needs replacement. Saves you from unnecessary shop visits. Trick number 3. Loosen stuck fuel doors and latches. Fuel door won't open at the pump? Embarrassing and potentially expensive. Spray WD-40 on the hinges and latch. Work it open and closed a few times. Also great for hood and trunk latches. Prevents broken mechanisms that cost $150 to $300 to replace. Takes 30 seconds and saves frustration. Trick number 2. Fix slow or sticky seat belt retractors. Seat belts that don't retract properly are a real safety issue. Extend the belt fully, wipe the webbing with a light WD-40 cloth, then retract and extend several times. A tiny spray into the retractor housing can also help. Don't oversaturate. Keep the belt grippy. This can prevent a $200 to $350 replacement and keep your most important safety device working properly. Tip number 1. Prevent brake rotor rust the smart way. After washing your car or in winter, rotors rust fast. Spray WD-40 only on the non-friction areas, the outer edge, center hub, and around the wheel studs. Never spray the braking surface where the pads make contact. This keeps rotors looking new and prevents buildup that can affect wheel mounting. Do it after installing new rotors and they'll stay clean longer. Safety first, braking surfaces must stay completely oil-free. There you have it, 15 powerful WD-40 car hacks that can save you hundreds or even thousands every year. Which trick surprised you the most? Drop your car model and year in the comments and tell me which one you're trying first. I'll reply with any model-specific tips. If this video saved you money or taught you something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next week I'm dropping even more secret car maintenance tricks most owners never learn. Share this with a friend who's always complaining about car repair bills. You might save them from the side of the road. Drive safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.